If you attended the 2019 Federation of Canadian Municipalities Conference, you may have received a text message from them in your language of choice. Although they use an event app, they needed something the app couldn't do: connect with each delegate based on the 86 different educational and companion tours, as well as other events delegates could attend. During registration, delegates were asked for their cell phone number and choices of tours. That information was exported to us, which we uploaded into their event text messaging platform. The first screen you see when you log in is the Team Finder screen. It's from here you can send a text message to any group of English delegates or French delegates. For example, we can click on a study tour and we can choose one of these dates, and we'll see that all the different tours available on that day are listed here. And to send a text message to one to let them know that their bus is late, just click. The group now appears on the Teams to Text window. We click Create Message. We see that there's one team selected, 33 phone numbers selected, and we can now send them a text message. We've got default messages already included here. We just click on one. It populates the box up here. We can fill in the time, and we can send that now, or we can schedule it for later. We make communicating easier. No one needs to download an app, you don't need Wi-Fi, and text messaging works on every phone. If you'd like information, please give us a call at 905-716-6916 or email rick@smsnet.ca. Thanks.